Congratulations! You now own a Waterboss whole house water treatment system. This video is intended to provide a step-by-step reference for installing your Waterboss appliance. To achieve the maximum benefit and performance from your Waterboss, it's important that you watch this DVD in its entirety and read your owner's manual before starting the installation procedures. Your Waterboss appliance must only be applied to potable water that's been determined fit to drink. If you require assistance with the installation of your Waterboss appliance, contact the Waterboss helpline between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to have your owner's manual available when contacting the helpline. Note the version number that's located at the lower center portion of the cover. You will speak directly to one of our factory-trained customer service representatives on location at our corporate headquarters in Groveport, Ohio. You may also reach the customer service department through the Waterboss fax line or via the internet at www.waterboss.com. To begin, remove your Waterboss from the carton by carefully cutting along the dotted lines located near the bottom of the carton. Lift the carton over the appliance. Remove all plastic wrapping and excess cardboard. You will notice the warranty card located on the salt port lid. All Waterboss softeners and filters are protected against defects in workmanship and materials for 3 full years on any mechanical or electronic parts. The brine cabinet, support panel, and media tank are under manufacturer warranty for 10 years. To place your Waterboss under warranty, the warranty registration card must be completed and returned by the original owner to Waterboss within 30 days of installation. This warranty is issued to the original owner at the original location site and is not transferable to other sites or to subsequent owners of the system. You can also register your Waterboss water softener online at www.waterboss.com. After removing the valve cover from your Waterboss, remove your owner's packet from the brine tank. Inside of your owner's packet, you will find your owner's manual, test strips for testing your water supply's pH level and hardness, transformer for connecting your Waterboss to your power supply, overflow elbow, and Quest Connect fittings for connecting your Waterboss to your water supply. Be sure to remove the cardboard packaging which contains the drain hose. There are some basic components of the Waterboss that you should be made aware before installing your Waterboss. The brine cabinet and support panel, the valve cover, the retracting salt port lid, the brine tank opening. This is where the regenerate, salt or potassium chloride, is added to your appliance. The media tank. The Waterboss patented self-cleaning dirt and sediment filter is located within this tank and is inaccessible. The controller. The drain end cap. This is where you will connect the drain line. The bypass valve and the bypass valve knob. Inlet, outlet. The serial number of your Waterboss is located here on the valve body. If you find it necessary to contact the helpline, have this number available. It will assist your customer service representative with any questions you may have. It's important to test your water before installing your Waterboss. Using the test strips from your owner's packet, check the hardness and pH levels of your water supply. A demonstration of this testing procedure will be shown later in this video. Water supply contains sand, sulfur, bacteria, iron bacteria, tannins, algae, oil, acid, or other unusual substances. You may need to pre-treat your water before the water supply enters your Waterboss appliance. A common problem found in many water supplies is iron. It's important to know what type of and how much iron is in your water supply. A water softener can only treat ferrous iron, also called clear water or dissolved iron. For additional information on other types of iron, refer to your owner's manual or contact the Waterboss helpline. Waterboss models 700, 900, and 950 require a pH of 7.0 or above to function properly. You'll find test strips to determine the pH level of your water supply in your owner's packet. Purchasing and installing an appropriate model of water filter is highly recommended if you have conditions that exceed the specification of your model of Waterboss. Consult your owner's manual or contact the helpline to learn about the Waterboss line of water filters. The Waterboss Model 950 will treat up to 35 grains of hardness per gallon or 600 milligrams per liter. The Model 950 is specifically designed for chlorine reduction in addition to removing hardness from your water and should only be installed on iron-free, municipally supplied water. The Model 700 will treat up to 70 grains of hardness per gallon or 1,200 milligrams per liter. And the Model 900 will treat up to 90 grains of hardness per gallon or 1,540 milligrams per liter. Knowing your water supply flow rate, your water temperature, and your water pressure are also important factors when installing your Waterboss. For models 700 and 900, there is a minimum requirement of a flow rate of 2.4 gallons or 9 liters per minute. For the Model 950, a minimum flow rate of 3.0 gallons or 11.4 liters per minute is required. Water temperature should not be less than 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 9 degrees Celsius, or greater than 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. Your water pressure should not be less than 20 psi or greater than 120 psi constant. If your water pressure exceeds 90 psi, a pressure regulator is recommended. You must be able to drain the appliance to an appropriate drain, such as a floor drain or washer drain, which will comply with all local and state plumbing codes. To prevent back siphoning, provide an adequate air gap or a siphon break. Your Waterboss is supplied with a standard 115 volt, 60 cycle AC outlet for locations in North America, or 220 volt, 50 cycle AC outlet for locations outside of North America. When connecting your appliance to a power source, do not plug the transformer into an outlet that is activated by an on-off switch. This will prevent someone from accidentally cutting the power supply to your Waterboss. When installing your Waterboss, it's important to familiarize yourself with and comply with all state and local building, plumbing, and electrical codes. As previously stated, it's important that you test your water quality to assure that you're installing the proper equipment and that you provide the correct information when setting the Waterboss controller. Follow the instructions on the hardness test strips to determine your water hardness, which will be your setting number. If the color on your test strip is between segments, use the next highest number to determine your test results. Your pH is okay if your test results show 7 or above. If your pH is within this range and you know that you have iron, add 15 to your setting number. If your pH is below 7, call the Waterboss helpline. When considering the placement of your Waterboss, make sure that you install your Waterboss before the water heater and after your pressure tank or water meter.